We are the students of DSM School for Excellence, grade 4B.
For exhibition 2026, we have made this fully gripper crane project. Advantage of fully gripper crane. The gripper board keeps tightly. It helps to lift things without much effort. It saves time and makes work easier and faster. It is used in factories and construction sites.
Robotic kit is used to make this project.
It is made by some materials like tires, brain, battery, motor, wires, remote and many more things. Now I am going to show you the demo. It is controlled with two high-speed motors, one brain,